and welcome back to my channel Risky Mermaid. My name is Vanshi Singh. So recently I've been using this one product. This is one serum that I've been really using. As you guys know, I'm fond of chemical exfoliations and that really makes your skin peel and dry. So I really needed something that will moisturize, deeply nourish my skin, hydrate and also replenish. So for that I'm using the DermaCo 100% Squalane Serum for deep hydration and moisture lock. The best thing about this is that this is 100% olive derived squalene. So I know the first doubt many of you guys will have is what the hell is squalene? So squalene is a natural lipid that our skin cells produce. So this is natural, this is produced by our own skin. So this olive derived natural squalene, it really mimics the lipid that our skin produces. So our skin will absorb this quickly. The pores won't get clogged at all. And it will work as a natural lipid that won't make skin oily, and it will nourish, protect and really lock the moisture inside. So how do I use it? I use it 2 times, at night before sleeping and during the day. Before I apply my sunscreen, before I apply my makeup, I first use this serum. So using this is very easy. Just after washing face, if you want to apply toner, you can apply toner. This is how the serum looks like. It's a transparent viscous liquid, and this is not watery. This is, I'll say, this is not water consistency. This is little lipid like consistency. If you don't know lipid, like, you know, something between oil and water. Not oil, but something that feels like oil and gets absorbed like oil. And you can see this is thick and feels little oily, not like our conventional serum. And just taking 3 drops because that's enough for my oily skin. If you have dry skin, you can always take more. If you have sensitive skin, don't worry at all, this won't react. And just taking the 2-3 drops and massaging it in my skin, focusing more around my nose because I get really dry spots near my nose. And that's it. That's how you apply it. The leftover serum, I'll just rub it into my hands. Part about this is it gets completely absorbed into the skin. As you can see, there is no oily residue, nothing. It's completely absorbed into my skin and my skin looks glowing. Like I'm glowing, you can. And now that I'll apply my makeup, it will really go on smooth. And it really replenishes the skin. It really protects skin from, you know, dryness, from harsh winters and everything. And it also increases skin's firmness and elasticity. So the skin is really, you know, plumped up, looks really fresh, glowing. Okay, so who can use this serum? Anyone can use this serum. Oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. Sensitive skin, no reaction with this. This is what your body produces. Your body won't react to something that it produces on its own. And for oily skin, use 2-3 drops like me. That's it, not more than that. For dry skin, use as much as you want. Alright, any side effect that I saw with this? No. It never broke me out, it never caused any rashes. It really feels right, nice on my skin. And because it's DermaCo product, I'm pretty, you know, I have a really good confidence in my DermaCo products because they actually list their ingredients on their packaging. So you already know what you're putting on your skin. Very transparent with their ingredients, and they're also sulfate and paraben free, dye and mineral oil free. And these is also and this is also fragrance free. So I think fragrance free products are the best because any allergy or rash is caused by the fragrance. So if your product doesn't contain any fragrance, you're pretty safe. Wash your face, tone your face, apply your serum, and if you're going outside in the sun, apply your sunscreen. That's it. And in the night, just wash your face, tone your face, apply the serum. If you want to apply any night cream, your wish. I don't use any night cream. Currently I'm not using any night cream. I'm just using this because this is moisturizing enough for me. My skin doesn't need anything else really. And if you want to purchase this serum and other DermaCo products, you can check their website out. It's www.thedermaco.com. All the links or the purchase links, their website link is in the description box below. So if you want 20% off on your DermaCo purchase, use my code Dusky20. This is the code. You can also find the code in the description box. If you have any confusion, use this code and you will get 20% off on your purchase. That's a great discount. So that's how I take care of my skin during this harsh Canadian winters. You know, it's really cold outside and my skin is never reacting bad to any changes. So yeah, it's really helping me. So that's all for today's video. I hope you really liked the video, and if you like this, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is the Dusky Mermaid, and I'll see you guys the next time in another video. Bye bye.